Hello, this is Rachel Hazelby, and I want to give you a quick overview on how to use or start using the Beginner Computer Science Club curriculum. So the first thing you want to do is go to the coding lessons page on Purdue Extension. You can use extension.purdue.edu 4-H pages coding lessons, or you can just Google search it and it will come up. From there, you want to click on Beginner Computer Science Club, and it will come up, hopefully it'll come right up to here on Canvas. Now this is a public club, or a public class, which means that anybody who has a Canvas teacher logon can use it. The word teacher logon is a little bit misleading because it is a free app or website to use, learning management system to use for anybody who needs to run a class, whether they are a classroom teacher or whether they are a club leader or whatever it is. So don't be intimidated by that. So all you want to do is choose, once you're here, you should be able to choose register and log in, and I actually want to choose need a Canvas account. If you want, you can watch their video. I am a teacher, and get a free Canvas account. From there you can put your information in. It'll tell you what kind of, we aren't any of those. We'll go with K-12. I don't think these are required. Those aren't required, so I'm not going to bother with those. And next, those are required. Probably in this case you will be teacher instructor. So we'll go ahead and next through this, and we are in the United States. I don't want to receive marketing. Okay, apparently I have to, and then I can decline it once it gets here. And set a password. I'm just going to generate one. And then we wait. While we wait, I don't really have a lot to talk about. I don't even know. Okay, so it replaced it. Alright, so now I have that done. And it wants me to create one. I don't have to do this. I can go to Commons, which is where I found that. I could also go back to Purdue, to Purdue's website and find that link. But I can go to Commons and I can type in 4-H Beginner Computer Science. And my guess is it will come right up. Here is what the screen's going to look like, and I can go right into it. Now, if I start using it here, it works. However, if you import it, I can import it directly into, and it's going to take a little while, but eventually it will show up in my dashboard. And I will log in using a different logon so that you can see what it'll look like at that point. It's the Purdue one. Alright, so it will be in here, and it happens to be this one. All right, so this is what it'll look like when it's in your Canvas. It will belong to you at that point. If you need to modify it, you can. Simply go in and you should be able to, so this is published, but if I needed to edit it and change it so that it was more appropriate for the group that I had, or if I just didn't like how it was going and needed to modify it for future, then I can do that here. Let's see, where else are we? So you see this, and I want to save it. I don't want to, I'll just cancel. Okay. Go back a page. Just kidding. So you can see from here there are, I believe, 16 lessons, maybe even 17 lessons. That was my hope. Yes, 16 lessons plus a final project, which is a write your own adventure thing where the youth actually write their own adventure using kind of a call to action and go save the world kind of thing, and then they actually turn it into a game. So that's a great and fun thing that I've done with lots of students or lots of youth before. So if you need help with that, no big deal. But as you can see, there are these lessons. Yes, they deal with computer science stuff. Loops are very, very computer science related. Every single lesson also has some sort of icebreaker component where the youth have the opportunity to communicate, which is obviously what we want to do in 4-H. So some of these aren't necessarily set up for online. So as you go through them, if you need to do them a little bit differently or find something else, do that. Absolutely do that, and we can work together to find that if that's what you need to do.